Alright guys, as you can see, we're still rolling. It was overheating, but the good thing is that we got our window fixed. Yeah, before and after. They even took out the windows. The glass right there. I wasn't expecting it, but a good thing they took it off. I wasn't expecting it. Like, so happy about that. They did me a favor and cleaned it. I guess they recycled it, but it's not there. Like, good thing, right? Check it out. It's not overheating. It was overheating right now, so it might overheat again. So we gotta change that. Why? Because the radiator and the radiator is actually falling down. It was falling down. I was scraping it right now as I left, so I was dragging it. But check it out, nice glass and everything, right? We're gonna pull over right now, so check it out, so you guys can see. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Cool glass. All right, not that expensive. Well, it's pretty normal price, but check it out. Very nice, very clear. They said don't wash it in 2 days. I'm like, okay. There were some things, if you guys see right here by the side, I'll show you guys. You gotta fill it, right? So then we gotta fill it, right? So that it's just a weatherproof seal. We have to get that from the junkyard. We have to buy it from the dealer or get a replacement somehow and just put it right there, or else water might come in. Maybe, who knows? But they put obviously the adhesive glue. Don't wash it for 2 days, so it won't come down, right? We still gotta fix the other side. As you guys already know, that little window from the other car is missing. I have it. That's the good part. So they're gonna come here and fix it. They're gonna charge me probably like $40, not that much, and we're good to go, right? So as you guys see right here, very nice. It runs. It's good. It's not overheating right now because obviously it's cold, but afterwards it's gonna start overheating. So we for sure have to get that new radiator and the AC condenser. Why am I gonna get a new one? Just because I crashed it, because it was a crashed car. I don't have to, but I think I'm just gonna get a new one. The AC condenser is vented, and the radiator, it might be good, but it might be not, right? So if I'm gonna check the price at the what's it called, at the junkyard. So if it's not that expensive, I'll buy it. So I could just do the actual part, right? Not damage radiator. So why not? I might do good. So I haven't checked that out, so I'll check it out first. If I see no damage, then I'll probably keep it. It seems to be working. It's just hanging, so the hose is probably like it's probably tearing the hose or something, because obviously it started overheating, right? So we're gonna check that out afterwards, and I'll keep you guys updated from the next video, right? Until next time, please subscribe and hit the like button so we can see this before and after on these projects. And if you guys want to see anything else that I do reviews, go ahead, including my discounts in my description, or follow me at MoneyDinero10, right? Cool. Thanks. Check it out. Another video, quick little video. It is overheating, so we got a problem, but I just noticed something right now. We got a rear mirror. Yeah, cool. We got a super rear mirror right here. Super cool. You guys see me? Awesome. Very nice, very nice. Very clear. They actually put this, cool guy, awesome, not bad. And they put the little thing right there. I'm not sure what it is, but super cool. Very clean, awesome, good price. Not bad. You saw how it was. Quick little bucks, 200 bucks, and now we got a full screen. Awesome, right?